Good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Song Ai, and I would like to present my research. Okay, uh, my research is about the root characteristic in North Sulawesi localized underwater deficit. The study is about an evaluation of drought response during the reproductive phase. The research was conducted by New Song I, myself, and assisted by my colleague Daniel Peter Mantilan Ludong and Ratna Siahaan. Okay, now what is the background of my research? Drought is an agricultural areas can result in a loss of up to 50% of agricultural output or even lead to total crop values. Sulawesi is Indonesia's third largest food producing region, contributing to 10% of the national rice output. The North Sulawesi's participation in boosting food production is essential to achieving the strategic development goals for the Sulawesi Corridor as a pillar of national food security. Information regarding the North Sulawesi local rice capable of successful cultivation and production under condition of limited water availability in North Sulawesi would be valuable for enhancing drought resistance, thereby strengthening the region's capacity as a pillar of national food security. And now, what is the objective of this research? The aim of this research was to evaluate the root characteristic, especially the root dry mass, root volume, and maximum root length as response to water deficit in North Sulawesi local rice variety, namely Superwin, Ombong, Temo, and Burungan during the reproductive phase. And now we look at the methods of this research. The study was conducted in a glass house using rice plants, and there were four varieties rice. The first one is Superwin, and then Ombong, Temo, and Burungan. All of them are, not Sulawesi local rice. And these plants were grown in soil within the polyvinyl chloride or PVC pipe pots with the 500 millimeter height and the 130 millimeter diameters. The two treatments were applied in this research is the first one is watering until the fill capacity or well watered and the withholding water or water deficit. The subject of the study, as I said before, the four local rice varieties from North Sulawesi. And then the root characteristic evaluated in response to water deficit were the first one at root dry mass, second one at root volume, and the third one is maximum root length. Now we go to the result of the research. As we can see in the slide, this is the plant performance under water deficit and well water treatment. We can see the shoot system and as well as the root system. For the shoot system, we can see that the plants under well water is still green, look healthy. Compared to the water deficit treatment, the plants look yellow pale and not unhealthy. And about the root system, we can see the different root architecture between the well water and water deficit plants. Now we can look at each of the parameter evaluated in this experiment. The first one is root dryness. The root dryness of Superwind, Ombong, Temo, and Burungan rice were lower in water deficit plants compared with the well water ones. Water deficit caused a reduction in root dryness of up to three-fourths as observed in the Temo varieties. And then we look at the root volume. Similar to the root dryness, we can see that the irrigated Superwind, Ombong, Temo, and Burungan rice varieties exhibited a larger average root volume than non-irrigated ones. A 40-day period of treatment, water deficit period, can reduce the root volume up to 60%, such as we can see in the Temo varieties. And then we look at the maximum root length. After 14 days of the water deficit treatment, the maximum root length of Superwind, Ombong, Temo, and Burungan was greater in the well water treatment compared to the water deficit treatment. Water deficit reduced the maximum root length by up to 40%, as we can observe in Superwind variety. Okay, and then to summarize of the research, we can conclude that water deficit during the reproductive phase decrease the root dryness, root volume, and the maximum root length. We can see that in Temo, the root dryness decreased up to 3 times and the root volume decreased up to 60%. And the decrease of maximum root length, we can observe very significant in Superwind because the decrease is up to 40%. Okay, that completes my presentation for today. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much for your great attention. Thank you.